boat called Dao Boat, okay? Brown wooden boat. It's a floating restaurant. It's a buffet. Arab traditional boat. Dao. That's correct, yes. And Lotus Dutch Oriental, this is the largest boat here inside, okay? The longest one. It's a party boat. But during high tide, they cannot go outside because of the wind. Okay, so that's the starting point of the longest